Hey YouTube world, it's Trev here from Monthly Missions. I'm at the West Edmonton Mall and we're about to find a pirate ship. I'm just outside right now. I pass a few rubbies here on my left, but we'll get in. We'll go through Bourbon Street where there's restaurants and drinks, then up into the mall. And hopefully we'll find a pirate ship. You ever seen a pirate ship in a mall before? West Edmonton Mall, look it up. So this is part 2.
The wisdom in my hair shows me. I remember when that song was new. That was a 2001 song.
This is part 2 of probably 4 videos.
I know, right?
The first video you should see. There's a skating rink in this mall. And I filmed that for my first video. And now I'm off to see a pirate ship. The other 2 videos are secrets for now. Let's go check everything out in this mall. Bourbon Street. I was just in there with the 5 and Dime, good place, good drinks, good food, inexpensive. The old spaghetti factory I remember going to in Vancouver, like 1979. Earls is everywhere now. It's generic. It's blonde. Mr. Mike sounds intriguing. So there's also a huge food court in here as well, if you don't want to sit down and have something fancy, if you call these places fancy. But yeah, there's a food court here. Bubble tea. I've never heard of that pepperoni before. Boston pizza I will never eat at. It's too overpriced, too generic, too everywhere. Marble slab is everywhere now, and they're really busy. Up the stairs. Let's try to find this pirate ship. It can't be a full-size one. There's no way. It's got to be a little ship. This mall is huge, over 800 stores, like 4,300,000 square feet, over 100 different restaurants in here. Apparently it's the hugest in Canada, largest in Canada, and the second largest in the world. Oh yeah. I don't think so. The chances are pretty slim. Oh, what a car. Imagine the insurance on that. There's no way you'd be able to afford the insurance on that. As a blue-collar worker, anyway. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. I tried to rent one of these a few months ago. I came up with the cash, and I just didn't have the insurance. And so, I don't own a vehicle. I just made a lifelong decision back when I was an early teen that I would never own anything with an engine. Lawnmower, freaking motorcycle, anything. Something happened that, so I will never own anything with an engine. But I'll drive a vehicle. I drove a service truck for 11 years in Ontario, rescuing people on the side of the road. I have no problems driving vehicles. I have an immaculate clean driver's abstract. But anyways, I've just chosen not to own a vehicle ever. Besides cars and money pits. As soon as you drive a new car off of the lot, you lose money. You're losing money all around. Cars are money pits, so their own vehicle. But I've rented lots, and I tried to rent one of these a few months ago. And it was the insurance that held me back. They wanted $2,600 for 24 hours. All I wanted was 24 hours. I just wanted to drive this car. One similar to it, a Ferrari. I can't remember what it was, but it was fairly new. And they wanted $2,600 for 24 hours. But I just didn't have my own insurance because I don't own a vehicle. So that's what held me back. I was willing to pay the money, and boy, I was willing to pay for it, but I couldn't do the deal because the insurance held me back. Back years ago, you could go to Enterprise Rentals, rent a really cheap car for $75. Pay $20 a day in insurance, and there you go. You have your own little massive beyond hour Ford Focus, and now you have to have. Well, through exotic cars, anyway, you have to have your own insurance. I'm not sure if I'd go into the local car lots for a little Ford. I'm not interested in it, but I want to drive these exotic cars. I just want to experience it. Anyways, so that fell through, and I ended up coming down a notch. I've rented a couple of Maseratis. And Maseratis, I don't know if they still are, but the engine and drivetrain are built by Ferrari, and so they're Italian. They're an Italian exotic car, luxury car. The Maserati is luxury, and the Ferrari is sports. But the Maserati is also sports. It's a sports luxury car. But yeah, I've rented a couple since then. Since I got denied for the one Ferrari. And they sure are a lot cheaper, like 1/15% cheaper. But, yeah, anyways, really affordable. The Maserati is such a beautiful car and so responsive. And the exhaust notes, beautiful, beautiful. But maybe one day I'll get to try a Ferrari, hopefully before I die. So, what do we have here? What are we coming up to, folks? Oh, they have a little splash pool down here that you can jump in a little paddle boat. You can jump in a little paddle boat and send your kids off just playing around while you go shopping. Well, okay, that's the food court. Either that or that's a second food court. I think that's probably a second food court because the pirate ship wasn't at the first food court, and here it is. Looks like you can go on there. There's a restaurant on there. Excuse me. Am I allowed to film on there?
You're allowed to film from outside, but I don't think you can film.
Okay.
Yeah, there's doing a paint night right now, so it's kind of.
Okay, thank you. That sounds interesting. Japanese cheesecake. Oh, these are remote control little boats down here. Oh, they have the boats put away, or no? I see maybe one. Oh no, they're all there. You can see them huddled up in the little corners. $2. $2 to play. That's funny. Oh, I like that idea. Little remote control boats down there. Here's the rest of the pirate ship. Like, it is gigantic. In a mall. So anyways, thanks everybody for subscribing. We've just gone over 150,000 subscribers, and I greatly appreciate that. So yeah, this is part 2 of probably 4 videos in the West Edmonton Mall. Look out for the next one. I'm going to be hitting a water park. I think a water park will be next. We'll see. Take care, everybody. Thanks. Don't forget that hit the thumbs up if you like this. Woo-hoo. Take care.